Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how you can convert your standard horizontal video into a stunning vertical format like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. First, let's open our sequence in Premiere Pro. Click on your sequence and head over to the menu bar. Navigate to sequence and select sequence setting. Now, to transform this into a vertical video, we will need to adjust the frame size. Change the dimension to 1080 by 1920. This swaps the typical widescreen aspect ratio into a vertical format. Once done, click OK and ignore any warnings that pop up in the next dialog box. You will notice that the video does not fit the frame quite yet. To fit this, we need to adjust the scale and position settings. Simply double click on the video preview that allows you to tweak these settings in the effect control panel. Drag the scale value to zoom in until the frame is filled. Adjust the position if needed to center the subject. Now that's work. But what if I told you there's an even easier way to do this? Let's undo those changes for a moment. This time, go back to the sequence menu and select auto reframe sequence. In the pop-up window, set the target aspect ratio to vertical 916. Premiere Pro will automatically analyze and reframe the sequence for you. When we play this back, you will see the results are fantastic. The subject stays centered and it's ready for vertical platforms. And that's it. Two simple ways to convert your horizontal video into vertical one with minimal effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, like and share the video. Thanks for now. I'll see you in the next video.